Good morning, IB juniors. You're great people. I appreciate your attitudes. Here's our plan for today. First, up here, complete the April 6th due now assignment. Definitely some more hard-hitting questions there. Remember, people, that's the way I take attendance. So if you don't have it done before 2, I have to mark you tardy. So or not tardy, but absent. So make sure you get that assignment done. It's easy and it's a way for me to give you some easy points. So do it, for heaven's sakes. Second, take quiz 4. That means you're finishing the book on All Quiet on the Western Front. Do that today. It's due Wednesday, but try to get the book done as soon as possible. It's already available for you. Some of you have already done it, but definitely the book should be done by Wednesday at the latest. Third, watch episode 8 of the Great War series. Yeah, you find that under the resources tab in this unit, along with all the other videos. That all of them are due, and I'll be putting it in the grade book on Friday. So make sure that gets done. And the topic that I really want you to consider as you watch those last 3 episodes is the role of the United States and the importance of the United States. Certainly, the fact that the United States had millions of men and resources available played a role. And the question that I'd like you to consider is, to what extent was that role significant? Some historians believe that the U.S. role was critical. The war would not have been won otherwise by the Allied side, and some historians believe that the United States role is overstated, that the war had already run its course. So I want you to consider that as you watch those last episodes and finish up the book. Fourth, this is a new assignment. In assignments, there's a poetry analysis to be done. There is a video of a poem that's available, one of the most famous of the war by Wilfred Owen. He's part of that video series. It's called Dulce et Decorum Est. It's a mocking of nationalism, and certainly worth watching, worth reading. But if you have any questions on that poetry assignment, just ask. That's due on Wednesday, the 8th. Today, Monday, April 6th, there's another video conference from 11 to 12. I'd love to see more people today. The video worked great last week. So on Friday, at least, not when we did it on Thursday, but on Friday it worked great. That's a positive. So check in, say hello, ask a question, particularly about the book, maybe before you take the quiz. Be a great idea. And then, as always, please contact me if you need anything. That's the plan for today. And that's about all I got for you. See you soon.